Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Settings and selecting Touch ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode so the iPad trusts you. Why this first? It unlocks the fingerprint registration interface and security checks. Once done, make sure battery is sufficient or connect power to avoid interruptions. Now position the finger you want to register on the home or top button, lift and rest it when prompted. This step creates the initial scan that the system will refine during enrollment. You continue by following the on-screen prompts, lifting and resting the finger repeatedly to capture varied contact points. The how: change angles slightly and include the fingertip edges so the sensor records different parts of your print, which improves matching accuracy. If the iPad asks, add a second scan of the same finger or a different finger. This gives redundancy. Once multiple scans complete, you can rename fingerprints so you know which finger is which in the list. You finish by testing Touch ID. Lock the iPad and unlock with the new fingerprint to confirm it works under real conditions. If it fails, make sure the sensor and your finger are clean and dry. Then delete the problematic fingerprint and re-enroll it, because recapturing often resolves recognition gaps. If problems persist, update iPad OS to the latest version and, as a last resort, contact Apple support. Sometimes hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.